Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to highlight in Gmail. So basically Gmail doesn't have a specific highlight tool, but you can still visually highlight text. Okay, let me show you. So firstly, of course, open Gmail application on your phone. And then click compose to start a new email. Then you want to type your message, and then you want to highlight the text that you want to highlight or emphasize. Double click, and then you need to click this icon, and here you see format, and now you can choose whether you want your text to be in bold, italic, or underlined. For example, bold. Also, I can do it again, and it could be bold and italic, 2-in-1, and I can do it 3 times, so my text is in bold, italic, and underlined. That's basically it. Unfortunately, Gmail doesn't have color highlighting the text, but this option is still nice. So that's how you can highlight your text. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.